Unity Builders leverages Icon's 3D printing technology and Austin's proposed zoning to create modern multi-unit living for flexible families on 6 unique print bed layouts. Residents can choose from detached homes and attached units that are convertible to retail space for small businesses. We see ourselves on these paths, running into neighbors of all ages, finally able to afford to live in such a beautiful place. Our streets are distinct block by block. Our wave-patterned facades, eye-catching and harmonic, are far from the disorienting sameness of common subdivisions. Inside, daylight, operable windows, and efficient systems provide low energy bills, clean indoor air, and operate fossil fuel-free. Our open-plan dining and living spaces invite gathering, while private bedrooms are softly illuminated by north-facing clear-story windows and warm wood ceilings. We are students of architecture, engineering, construction, sustainability, and housing equity. We entered Initiative 99 because we have each struggled with a lack of adequate and affordable housing that is responsive to the climate crisis in the cities we love, and we want to be a part of the solution.